Hi, welcome to VT Software Engineering Academy. Today we are going to start a new series in Python programming language. So I hope you are going to follow us in from the beginning up to the end, because I hope if you follow this tutorial from the beginning to the end, I have a full confidence that you are going to be a great Python developer or Python programmer. So, Python overview. We are going to start with the Python overview. So, as you can see, you understand Python is a scripting language. You understand it is very understandable by human. It is not a very big deal to understand. You understand by just saying you can guess. Uh, it is very simple. If you have a little programming experience, you are looking at by looking at it, you can understand a little more about it. You understand, and Python is object oriented. You understand, when we say object, it deals with object. Like for example, it deals with how object interact, the method and the action the object do. You understand, you are going to understand this, but I'm not going to explain it very much. You understand, just I'm highlighting about the overview of the Python. So, and Python uses interpreter, that is, it is using interpreter, not a compiler. That is, it is interpreting from a line by line. It not go to next line except it finishes with the first line it's encounter. You understand, then it is very interactive. You can interact with it. You can make it like a calculator. If you are using the shell, you understand, you can use it to 2 plus 2, it will give you 4. 2 minus 1, it give you 1. 3 plus 1, it give you 4. You understand, you can use it. And Python is very easy to learn. You can learn it. You understand, it is very easy to learn. Just follow this tutorial, and I have a full confidence that you are going to be a good Python programmer. You understand? So next we are going to see the features of Python programming language. Among the first features of Python programming, Python is very easy to learn. It's very easy to learn. Uh, because if you need to print the print hello world, you just need one line, single line, that is print. You are going to write a print. Yeah, you understand, then bracket, then you put a quotation mark, then you put the hello world, then it will when you press enter, it will print hello world. If you compare them with other programming languages, you need 4 to 5 lines of code before printing hello world. Python also, it is easy to read. It is easy to read because you have learned it. You understand, it is very easy. So when you come to read it as a programmer, it is very easy for you to read. Even if you left your project 4 months or 3 months before, you can understand if you comment your code. Then Python has huge libraries. A lot of programmers have created a lot of libraries which you can use to in your project. You understand, you don't need to reinvent the wheel always when you come to project. You understand, Python, it is very portability. It's portability, that is, the code you wrote on Linux, you understand, you can take it exactly to Windows device, you understand, without any alteration, because it is very portable. GUI, you can use GUI, graphical user programming using Python. Huge community, a lot of companies have embraced Python programming language, and I will show you amongst applications. You can use Python to create web-based applications. You understand, you can design games, you can design desktop application, you can create database application. You can use Python in artificial intelligence, which is the first choice after our language. You understand, you can use machine learning, image processing, all Python. With Python you can do list of sites built using Python. This site you are seeing, they are they are developed using Python programming language. First is Instagram, Quora, YouTube, Google, Spotify. Yahoo Maps, Reddit, BitTorrent. You understand all this. You say, and the topics we are going to look first is basic syntax, variable types, basic operations, decision making loops, numbers, strings, Unicode string, list, tuples, dictionary, function arguments, keywords, date and time, modules, files, input output, exception, class and object, inheritance, and lot of project. Thank you for the listening. I hope you enjoy. So I hope we'll meet next. Thank you. Bye.